Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So for today's video ay magluluto tayo ng razor clams with black beans and bell pepper. So meron tayong razor clams na frozen. So meron din tayong ingredients dito, ginger, onion, and garlic. So hugasan lang natin to guys kasi frozen to at saka malinis na siya. So wash lang natin. Meron din tayong black fermented beans. At syempre ang assorted bell peppers. So mag-mix din tayo ng seasoning, light soy sauce, oyster sauce, white pepper powder, sugar, and syempre yung chili bean sauce na pampasarap. So yan guys, ito lang ang ating gagamitin at napakasarap na. So ayan, naka-prepare na lahat ng mga sangkap. So umpisahan na nating magluto. So i-fry lang natin lahat ng ginger, onion at garlic. So ilagay na natin ang assorted bell peppers. Syempre yung black fermented beans, pampabango. Then isunod natin yung razor clams. Then saka natin ilagay yung mixture sauce. So papalambutin muna natin. Then maglalagay tayo ng cornstarch para lumapot yung sauce. Then that's it. Ganun lang kasimple guys. So madali lang tong gawin, masarap pa. Thanks for watching. See you on my next vlog. Bye. Please like and subscribe.